developed a way for women and men to tap into their primal power and sensuality to ultimately become their own medicine woman and medicine man. And this practice that I've created weaves technologies in Kundalini yoga, in mantra, in movement, in self-expression, and unlocking your voice, unlocking your sensuality and your self-pleasure. So I'm so excited to be here, and today we will uncover new ways to really dive deep into who you really are. I am sometimes afraid, but not too afraid, that it will be too much and that I will not have or be connected to whatever it takes to be with it all. But I know in my heart, to bear the exquisite beauty and bone-wrenching sorrow of being fully alive, I must tap into my sensual intelligence.